السلام عليكم ومتببريد وكم جهت نجاة هيا الرجل خنو فيديو براتين دوفين تجمدن جئتين أبدي قبا الرنيات بريدة هلزي خنانين قد دوفين. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Muni's Kitchen. Today I am making this beautiful healthy dinner. Yeah. So what we need to do, I've got baby potato. Dinicha tika hanan kaba. Ni bilchesine jula. Ni inadura. I've already washed it here. We wash our baby potato and then we boil it. I'm just adding some salt. So gidan iti nake. Akad kishonumi awiju modin. Khana khawati disne amma wan gonu wan bira. Salaman khiyahanan fish khiyahanan حواجة في واحد دا وجه شكومي حايتشو فدا تنافو أما حواجة في شيء تنقي خنا دكانة إجيار نأركتني خونيس ماما أرغانو خجاني سني just adding oregano fish masala and mixed spices dark soya sauce خنا لإيدي olive oil ni barbachisa ikisho some of the fresh lemon juice tutto ichula tutto nchamake nuf mi esanuf tolcha خلونا هيني وحين فيش أو سلمون فيش so جدا تكشو تقولوا جرا paprika نتي إيدي أما تكشو I just added paprika mix it all together وهندا وللاقع fish مئة بريدة إسنيتها color ريساز هدو نمتي طلا the fish is gonna be so beautiful. The color is so beautiful and then the taste is so yummy. I know it's a bit watery, but when it cooks, now I'm adding my salmon fish. ما خلونا خيستي وني قولوا جرا جولا كمان مساكر نفوني تهون خيسنا قول جرا وندا كسكونيتي baking tray هينا قبا هينا جولا one oven التنينو. You just keep it on the tray so later on you can cook it in preheat oven. يا أما كنا في نيتشولا ما كنا نوها في خنا قد النينو وان كونو في نيتي كبر نيتشو. So the leftover our spice we're not gonna throw it. We have to like just pour it on the top of the cinnamon. Yeah, it makes it more tasty. And then keep it on the side 1 hour 30 minutes whatever you want. Later preheat your oven and then cook it around 20-25 minutes دقيقة صد مكانها بالجسا دي دمشان أما بان براتي مطبشة براتي لداني تي دقيقة أسمى مشروم صوص نقول ديما Mushroom kun angudaa jedhanii biyyatti olive oil xiqqishoon tiidee akka dhadhaan nurraan guban jechuudha. Yeah, wal keessa laayinaa mix it. Just added a little butter and then olive oil. We're going to make mushroom sauce. So I've got chopped onion and chopped garlic. Cook a little bit and then we'll add our mushroom. Tikisho kana bilchesa. Tikisho urgawe oni tehe mushroom khenya hanguda yesariti dana. So gidan tida siti. I just added salt, pink Himalayan salt. And then I'm going to add black pepper. Yeah, qondo nitinake qondo damiti, yeah, qondo black pepper. Samboda mushroomin yokin hangudayin khenya khana hanguday ittinene chura. Yeah, just this is baby mushroom. You can use any type of mushroom if you like. I'm just using baby mushroom. Everything is about baby. The potato is baby as well. Amma kanati bilchate. This is the way we want it. A little bit brownish, goldish color. Smells so nice here. So I'm about to add double cream here. Cream khenya double cream yokin cream majannani tinene chuda. Wadikisha hunda miti wadikisha mali mushroom khiyadikisha wantef. Yo heddu godu fetan heddu godu nendesa. Just added double cream or heavy cream. It's so delicious, so yummy. Most of the people use the mushroom sauce for beef steak, but it's good with the salmon fish as well. It was so tasty. I just added some black pepper again and a bit of salt. Amalle kisho so gudda fi wani inti black pepper. Now it's done. Asiti bas bilchate gehefi. Khana olis furdachun qabu qallachuu sin qabu irraa buusna jechuudha. Amma maal goona avocado salaxaa goona. Amma avocado khiyya kanatti hin jira. Oduma qolala isaatiin jiru akkanatti hin jira jechuudha. Waan hunda laayineef. This is the way I do my avocado salsa. On its own shell, I just cut it and then take it out in a spoon with a spoon. It's easier, like you don't have to like mess a lot of things. Who is gonna wash it? Of course, me. This is very easy. No mess. No nothing. That's it. Cut. Yeah, it's very easy now. As you can see, I've already like small pieces. Same as the other half as well. Akkanatti cirreecha avocado keenya nu booda nu dhibu waa hedduu sillaayinu wannuma isaa keessatti odoo jiru okay amma waan ittaan cucumber or khiyaar afaan oromooti khiyaar jennan. This is sliced small slice cucumber, baby tomato, timaatim xixiqqaa keenya cirreechu, qaccee green chili, and coriander, fresh coriander leaf. Hamzara keenya jechuudha. Aduu jira ture guyyaa kana mashallah. So xuuxoon tiidee lemon. I added lemon and I'm gonna add salt here. There. So get the tea jechuudha. Amma wal keessa laayinaa mix it together and then keep it aside. So at the back I was like cooking plain rice, mali ruza adi useetuma bishaanuma fi saliita xiqqishoo fi soogiddaaniin affeelu jira. Dinnichaan keenya xiqqishaan sun affeelamu jira. Broccoliinis affeelamu jira gamasiihi. Waan hunda bakka takka agarsiisuun naaf hin taane. Yeah, I'm just boiling my baby potato. I'm boiling broccoli, and then I was boiling at the same time plain rice, just white plain rice. Yeah, now as you can see the baby potato is ready. I was just checking it to take it to drain it. Dinnichaan keenya bilchaate. Ableeniin diddiree ilaalu jira bakka bilchaatee jira jechuudha. Tanaafuu irraa amma xalalchine jechuudha bishaan sarara ganneena. No, agartan xalalchee this is the way I drain it. So leave it a little bit to cool down. So I'm about to cut it into 2 pieces because it's too big. Yeah, fish is ready. Salmon fish. Look how beautiful is it. Fish خينا خونا لا كانت تلهاتي جرا هدو بريدة ما شاء الله. نمتي تولا. Wow. ما شاء الله. Okay, next time I'm going to نيتشات كيشا خينا خريف وسني بكلام لما تريتين جرا. أما ما تبى شاي براتي مالين قولي لا تيجي سليتة تكشو تيجي أما dinnichaa sanii fideetti naqee jechuudha. Muhammad, Mama's recording. T1. Haasa'uu fedha? Hello jechuu fedha uummata Oromoo? Hello uummata Oromoo jechuu fedha? Yeah, amma dinnichaa keenya ni waadanaa jechuu akkana xiqqishoo. The potato we need to roast it a little bit. So I just added some salt. So جدا يتيدي والخيس لاقع. Black pepper is يتيدي تنجرا. أسيت وانين دو rosemary, dry rosemary, a little bit. بالت إبسي خجا إنساني بيتي جوجايساتي. أما كنا والخيس اللي أنا وادنا يجود هدو مئنسا. الآن ونيجاري الآن نلا في سوا هندا. خوني parsley. Not sure parsley نفان خينا نوانجامو. akka hamzaraati garuu hamzaraa miti urgaan isaa adda fresh isaatiin cireetti naqee I just added fresh parsley. So mix it. So delicious wallahi, so yummy, yum yum. Yeah, kanatti bareeda jechuudha. Dinnichaan keenya kan waanne garan gaggalchuu jira amma xiqqishoo. Oofnaas naquun dandeessanoo barbaadanii. My baby is just running around. yaa amma bakka irraa dhaamseetiin jira reediidha jechuudha. Hedduu bareedaadha akka agartan. Bilchaatee jiraasi waadamee jiraasi mi'a addaata kan nuuf jechuudha. Amma kanatti naqee jechuudha. Ruuza keenya sahnaa booloo xiqqishaan naqeetiin garagalchee akkanatti wanni godhe. Avukaadoo keenyaas dinnicha maashruumii reefuu yookiin hangudaa goone saniis fiish keenyaas kunis brokkolii keenyaas godheetiin akkanatti hedduu bareedaadha fayyaafillee gaariidha. Akkanatti namatti tola akkanatti bareeda jechuudha. Yeah, this is the way I did it. Plain rice, the baby potato, avocado salsa, salmon fish, mushroom sauce, and broccoli. This is the healthiest food dinner. Yeah, if you enjoy, do subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate. Yo jaalatan subscribe, share, if you like is godha. Hedduu galatoomaa. Yeah, video biraatiin hanga wal agarruutti. Assalaamu alaikum. I'll see you next time inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.
Here's another question for you to try.